Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ingredients Inside. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any important update regarding any cosmetic product that comes up in the market. So friends, today I'm gonna review Sunbum SPF 50 Face 50 Plus sunscreen. A good sunscreen, lightweight sunscreen, and it has huge amounts of vitamin E. Probably water resistant. It is broad spectrum as well. It resist UVA and UVB both. Broad spectrum sunscreens are good, and the texture is silky. And probably if they've added so much of vitamin E, then uh, it will moisturize your skin as well. It is paraben free, it is cruelty free, it is not tested on animals. So people who are more animal loving, so this product is good because they haven't tested on animals. And yeah, because they have added many mild, all the chemicals they've added are all mild and does not has any kind of paraben and anything. So a good sunscreen, uh, a good research, something different. The packaging is very nice. It feels like a wooden sunscreen. The packaging seems like it comes in a yellow tube and with a wooden knob. So a good and a different type of approach. So in all this, you must be thinking that you should be buying the sunscreen or no. So I'm gonna tell you everything in this video. Watch the video till the end so that you understand that you should be buying the sunscreen or no. So let's get started. So all in all, a good sunscreen works very nice, and probably has a huge amounts of vitamin E. Vitamin E moisturizes your skin, soothes your skin, and probably a good sunscreen, I mean to say, I would say. All in all, it really helps moisturizing your skin. And probably this sunscreen being a broad spectrum sunscreen, that is protection from UVA and UVB both. So this is a good sunscreen, and I have used it myself. It is a lightweight sunscreen, and being lightweight, you don't get the product as sticky. The product is not sticky as well. Made from all mild chemical to natural ingredients, it will not give you any kind of skin allergies or reactions. It is safe to use for kids as well. So if you really love your fair skin and you are looking for a good time in sun, but you want to protect your fair skin, Sunbum is a good sunscreen and would protect you from tanning all the way. Remaining, I would like to say that the sunscreen is not sticky at all. It is not oily at all, and probably has very faster absorption rate, absorbs very quickly, and all in all, has I what I'll say that a good texture, a good creamy texture it has, and probably suitable for all skin types, but mostly suitable for dry skin types and scaly skin types. So if you have a dry skin, so it's a good sunscreen for you because there's a vitamin E in abundance already. If you're thinking that you should buy the sunscreen or no, I would really say yes, because if you come across one, you should really get one. It's a budget sunscreen, it's a good sunscreen, good packaging, good quantity, and good SPF. SPF 50 is a decent SPF. So all in all, it is recommended from my side. Go and buy the sunscreen.